Hello guys, welcome back to this channel and today we'll be going through the Eventify full stack project, and basically uh, allow me to just share my screen and just show you what will be happening. So this is what will be happening. We have our page here, the landing page, which will have two buttons, logins and create account. And here we'll have a home link, which will just display a hero section over here. Then we have a footer. When the user clicks create account, a form will be displayed, and on this form we'll have the first name, last name, email address and passwords. Can just input his passwords over there, and then after the user creates account, he will be redirected to login. And on this login, you just have email and password. And when the user clicks on login, he will be redirected to events page. On this events page, on this page right here, the user will see all the events that the users have created, and as well he'll be able to navigate through the links that will appear here on top. And first of them will be light, and near light the user will be able to create his or her event. That is on, I'll come back to this. We have the right page, and then we have now my blogs page. On my blogs page we have the user will be able to see now the events he or she have created, and these events will have three buttons, and this button will be update, delete, and also view participants. Why view participants? Because on this events page right here, each event will have a button which is join event, and on clicking join event, the button will change to cancel join event. But if the user is fully aware that it's gonna show up, then when when user clicks join and sure is gonna show up, then the owner of the event, when he clicks on this button right here, view participants, then the names of the people who have joined will just be displayed below it. I hope we are together to that point. Then the third link here will be to direct the user on the events he or she have joined. Just for easy access, you can imagine having like 100 events, and then you scroll down and you click just the 59 event that you have joined, and then at this point something hits you, and there's something you need to confirm on the events that you have joined, and you can imagine having to scroll all down there back again because I've not implemented the search function. Then you can imagine scrolling down there and trying to look for the one that you have clicked join. That's why I decided to come with the joined events page, where the user can just easily see the events he or she have joined. And lastly, we have now this link here of my profile, where the user can update his details, that is first name, last name and email as well. And below here we have another one to change the password, where the user will be prompt provide old password, new password and confirm new password. that's basically what will be happening through the project. So allow me to now go ahead and show you, now the project in action. So allow me to run the project npm dev, and that is on the client side. We come to server and we do the same npm dev. There we have the server running at port 1929, and we have the link to our server side. So I'm just going to click on that, and let's give it a moment to load. And there we have, on top here we have very nice image describing what will be happening on this project. So as I told you, here we have just a nice hero section, I would say. So first let's sign up person right here. Let's say my core, my um, email address. Let's say michaelstudent.com. Password. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me try to not do a mistake. No again, and I put 3, 4 as the password. So sign up. The passwords don't match. So we must provide a password that matches the password you enter here above. So I still go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and sign up. And there we go. Account created successfully. Never. So let me use the attribute myclassemail.com, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Click on login, and there we go. Login successful, and will be redirected to this page right here. Here, as we can see, we have this one was created by David James, Moses Mokabi, and Walter White. We can also read more. It was created on Wednesday, updated on still the same day, and number of get 70 details. I can read to you guys, and that's the theme. Going back, we can still see this one as well. Same thing, and here we go. Created by Walter White. Read more. This one was created today. Very nice. So here, the user can click join event, and as well you can click cancel event. You see, and then the user can post event, and something that I didn't explain, maybe I can explain it. Here on lighting an event, this one I said I'll come back to it, but I forgot. Sorry for that. Here on lighting event, the user will be required to enter an image. Then there will be a theme section, actually a title section, then a theme section, then a body, just to describe what event will entail, and lastly but not least, number of participants that the user he or she is needing to attend that event. And right here we have this image section. That's where I wanted to explain just a little bit. The image, since the servers can't store .jpg and all that, this image will post them to Cloudinary, and this helps even to make the image loads faster and all that. The image, after being sent to Cloudinary, it will be transformed to a link. This link is for the image that we have uploaded here, and this is the link that will be uploaded to the database. And now here on event, this link will be put transform to an image, and then we'll be able to now see that image right here together with the descriptions. I hope you are together at that point. So let me just choose an image, and let me like choose this one, chef, then title, welcome to our Christmas event. Then the, let's say, teaching, then details, just a random details, I'm gonna paste there. Then above participants, let's say 67, post, and there we go. We have our event created successfully, and those are the details. When I am back to my events, I have all the three events displayed over here. Clicking on my event, we have this button. Click view participant. No one have joined my event. Here I can click update, and let me check this code just to make sure that it's updating. Click update, and there we go. The name is changed to good. Come to my event, and here we can see the name is good. That tells you that the update is working, and you can see created by Michael Brown. Post event, we have seen that, and here on my events, and I'm gonna initiate the network. So here on my events, I guess I've shown this one, so I've remained this one and this one. So let me first not delete because it will just disappear. Okay, here as you can see on my joined event, I have no event that is I have joined. So like now let me come here and just join this event and join this one. Now getting back to joint event, there you go. As you can see, I've joined the two event, or maybe just let me join one, cancel this event, back here to join event. I have only one event remaining. On my profile section, I have these three detail section where I can change them. And here maybe let's say let me change first name and as well last name. Let me change to what can I use? Genius, then say name like borrow or something to borrow, then email. Yeah, email you can just keep it that way and clicking on update, and there we go. They have been updated to James Borough. Jim was Borough, and back here. Where is it? This one, Jim was Borough, created by Jim was Borough. What else? Then the last part is this one, the old password and the new password. Here, let me, the old password was 1234, so let me try 123, and the new password will be 456. The old password was 4 digits, but I'm putting the new password to be 3 digits so that we can see it updating since we have no way of visualizing. I have not implemented the way of visualizing. So 456. Click on update. Obviously it won't work. There should be some toast messages appearing there, but no, I think then as you can see the resource has failed and it's responding to a bad request, and that's because the old password didn't match with the old password that is in the database. But now let me say I put 1, 2, 3, 4, click on update, and that one has perfect work. And as you can see, these fields they are not even pre-populated anymore. Then let me just log out and just try to log in with 1, 2, 3, 4 login and wrong email or address, but now I try to use 456 login and there we go, it's working perfectly. Now I've joined it. Maybe what I can show you is, let me just delete this one and I have no event right here. Then I post another event. I did that on purpose to show that the delete button is working. Here on the title, let me see, celebrate. Then we have the theme, our favorite theme, that is goat eating. Then I'm gonna just paste some dummy names like that about for this one, 67, posting, loading, and there we go. We have posted an event, and back here we should be able to see that right there. So the thing is, let me log out to this user, then I'm gonna log in another user. Let's say and password 124, login, and there we go. Let me join this event through that user. I log out, then get to another user, call 124, login, login successful, and as well I join this event, then log out. We have another user I can remember. No, let me just return to here. One, two, no. One person we have upgraded to it to 456, and we log in. On navigating to joint event, I've joined one, but on my events, uh, here I can view participants, and there we go. I can see that Moses Mokabi have joined, that's the user, and David James we have joined. And just to prove that to you, those are the names of those the owners of the account. So I will log in one, that is moses@gmail.com. 1, 2, 3, 4, login, and profile section, as you can see, Moses Mokabi, and as well as for this Davy@gmail.com. 1, 2, 3, 4, login, profile section. You see James. Let's see, I'm changing this to David. Uh, David Moss. Then I click on upgrade profile. It has been upgraded successfully. I don't know why my pops are not working. So log out and then back to this micro 34 login. I will change it to 456 login and come to here to my events. View participants, David Moss, as we have updated the user to. Yeah, I think that's it. I've taken you through the project side of it. So the remaining part, let me take you through the coding part of the project. Yeah, uh, here are the routes for the project. As well, and now we have the server running at port 1329. We have our withdrawals, this one verifying the token, and this one validating whether the user have inserted everything on this page right here. Where is it? Yeah, post event. Like now, if I try to let me say, just leave this image section empty, blah 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 blah. Let me say physics, post event, then please fill in all the required fields. And when I now pick an image, then post event, something is off. Let's say finish loading, then post event, post event and loading, and there we go, it is posted successfully. We have the events page. This one is for the queries and that we are making, or the request that we are making to the server. Like here we have creating event that is requiring title, theme, image, body, number, and owner. Who is actually these are one-to-many relationship where one user can have multiple events created. We have the one for fetching single event. There it is. And fetch your event and all that. And yeah, on the schema side, here we have the schema for our database. That is, we are working with the PostgreSQL, and we have relationship, that is one-to-many relationships, and actually many-to-many relationship, because one user can create multiple events, and one user can join multiple events, and as well an event can have multiple users having joined the same event, and hence coming up with this schema right here. And I'm not sure if there is anything more to explain on this side. Let's jump to on the client side of it and server side. And maybe to start with, I'm gonna just navigate to app.jsx to show now all my routes and pages. And just something maybe I can touch on it is this function over here. And this function, what is really happening here is that when the user, like, let me show you. This header right here, we can have the user can only see this when he is logged in, but when he is not logged in, he can see this header right here. So that's why I'm using this function right here. If the user is logged in, then this header right here can be shown. If it's not logged in, then the normal header, like the one for logging in and creating account, can be shown. Yeah, the route, sign up, login, event, post event, my events, edit, profile, and all that. Then I have these utilities for the API base right here. And this one is linking the front end to the back end. On the input.jsx, this one is for the one that is uploading the images to the Groundary, and we are given back a link or a URL to that image. And on the page section here, I think everything will be as easy explaining. Here we have edit event, and basically what on edit event is that we are fetching, that is, we are using use query, and we'll be using query and using mutation, because on clicking on update, the user will be redirected to that page with the details he had inserted earlier being pre-populated in those fields. Then on then use then on creating update, then we are there the updates will be updated successfully through use mutation, that is sending data to the backend events. But okay, this one I didn't use it. There's nothing here. I found another way to go around with it, so I should actually delete it. Then we have event. This one is just displaying all those events, and with this button here, cancel and join and all that. We have for event, that is like when you create an this one is for this page right here. When you create now that event, this page is reflected right there, where you can just see the full view of it. And yeah, the login section, nothing more much to explain right here. And yeah, these are the pages for password update, the one for personal details update right here, and the one for post event as well. Yeah, that's exactly how my structure is. Can't basically that's that's how my project is. Uh, yeah, I think there is nothing much else to explain about, but maybe I can just point out two or three more things, two or three things that maybe I can work on in the future. And one being when the user, like now, this person here have created two events, and these events, on these two events, let's go ahead and see them. He has created this one and this one, but as you can see, it also has this join event button, join event, of which it's my it's my creation, and then I'm getting this joining event button. That's gonna be weird in a way. So that's one thing that I am looking forward to work on. And the other thing is, okay, let me show you something right here. On this event right here, maybe when I click read more, there is this number of guests right here. And this number of guests, actually my idea was when the user clicks join event, and the number of people here on my like my events, the participants, when the user right here reaches to 98, then the button this how do I say it, it's been disabled, like no one else can join in that event, it's full. So those are the two things that I'll be looking on to upgrade, but everything else is perfect. So have a good time, guys. Try to work on a similar project, and you can share me the experience in the comment section. Bye bye.